Hello, everybody. Welcome to Women in BIM. I am Lulu and I'm very happy to have all of you here. Over here with me is Ane Barnes. Hi, Ane.
Hi, Lulu. How are you?
I'm great. I'm so glad to have you here.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
So today we have a very jam-packed day. We have a lot of content that we'd like to share with everyone that's joined us. And so I'm just going to go through all the yummies that we're going to be partaking in, indulging in today. And firstly, for those who haven't joined us before and have no idea what Women in BIM is, we're going to explain that. And we're also going to look at past events or what exactly was happening and who is there. And we're also going to discuss what we as Modena are doing now in South Africa and internationally, and the next steps. Okay, so what to expect in the future. How exciting does that sound, Elaine?
That sounds extremely exciting, Lilia. I think what we need to start with is also just tell people a little bit about ourselves and who we are and introduce ourselves.
Definitely. So I am Lulu Mathebula, and I am a registered candidate senior architectural technologist. I'm fairly green behind the ears, but I do have 3+ years of experience in the industry. I particularly specialize in helping interior design companies adopt BIM practices and workflows. What about you, Anna? I've got a feeling that your resume is a bit more extensive than mine.
No, don't go there, Lulu. We all do where our passion lies.
Yes.
So I'm a registered architect with SACAP. I have experience as a BIM coordinator in implementing various solutions at AEC firms. And I've got a passion about automating different processes and procedures that impact our clients' experiences and deliverables.
Oh, okay. I thought so. That sounds very interesting. It sounds like you've been a very, very busy woman. With that being said now, if there are people, I'm sure there are people who are joining us for the first time, or people who've been with us before who are really wondering what Women in BIM is all about. And basically, Women in BIM is an event where women in the industry share knowledge and celebrate and empower each other. And it is about drawing women together into an environment of shared information and comprehensive interaction to help each other create a diverse industry through support and community, because we believe that together we have greater influence.
I think that's fantastic, Lulu. And it is such an important thing to do in the industry, to help and empower and support women to really
Definitely.
grow in this industry. So let's have a look at the past year, what we've done at Modena to really empower and support women in BIM. We had these specific presenters, and
yes,
let's have a look at their background. We had Janine Strachen from Worley, who's the senior BIM specialist and who develops and oversees BIM and Revit workflows. She is such an inspirational woman and even published her own article before learning BIM on the job.
Wow. I'm very interested in reading that article. Please bookmark it for me. Next up, we have Christelle Ortman, and she's from Zutari. She's a structural engineer, but what I find fascinating about her, Anne, is that she first studied an architectural degree, and then she also felt the need to go and study civil engineering. And for me, that passion and that drive is very, very inspiring. What do you think?
No, definitely. I think she's definitely someone to look up to in terms of her background and also what she is doing currently. Which brings me to Rachel Andrews. Like, her presentation was also quite inspiring. And as a technical design lead and BIM coordinator at Tetris, she's definitely a force to be reckoned with. And she says she is passionate about all things BIM. What is BIM and how it is going to help her and her team. She has a BTech in interior design degree and collaborates on various national and multinational projects across the world in the BIM industry.
Listen, I've worked alongside Rachel Andrews, and I know that she is a powerhouse of a woman. Next up, we have Feroza Mubarak. Feroza Mubarak is also from Zutari, and she is a BIM consultant, and she has experience ranging from drafting and site inspections to 3D modeling, BIM management and project management. Like, it's a whole list of skills, and these are the type of women that we have at our events. So if you're wondering, you're missing out. You've definitely been missing out if you haven't been joining us.
Yeah, another woman that we also had at an event before is Anneke Hilde, who's the technical lead designer at DSGN, who does international hotel interior design. And she's so passionate about the possibilities BIM can afford the industry. And she literally, I know her personally as well, and I know how she researches the latest and greatest in BIM and applies it in her current workflow. Yeah, definitely someone to look up to.
Yeah. So we know that here at Modena, we are always at the cutting edge of innovation and of all the software and BIM in itself. Do you care to tell us, Ane, what is currently happening now at Modena? What exciting things are we working on and are available from us?
Most definitely. I'm so glad you asked, Lulu. We have Autodesk Construction Cloud, which just launched, which is extremely excited because you have Docs, and Docs is now included in the AEC collection. So anyone with an AEC license now has Docs where you can do online documentation and sharing of drawings, which is a huge step in the BIM industry. Then we also have Plannerly, which is a BIM management platform where you can automate your BIM execution plans. A lot of your BIM planning can go in there, which is absolutely amazing. We have Teachable, where we support and enable women to access training on demand. So you can literally decide on a specific topic that you need, and you can buy that training session and look at what you need. But for those of people who needs lots of training or wants to get CPD credits, we have the Pinnacle series where you can get SACAP CPD credits and view the training on demand. So that's quite some exciting features that we have in 2021 that's available to our clients, not just our female clients. It's available to everyone, but
no, we don't close anyone out. I think what I love most about these offerings is how vast they are, and you're not forced to do a whole 12 courses with Plannerly. You can also just do that one class that you need from Teachable, which is quite advantageous if you ask me.
No, definitely. I have to agree with you, Lulu.
Yes. So we've currently discussed what we've done and who we've had here with us at Women in BIM, but we've also discussed what we're doing now, actually, and that's very exciting. But I think for people who have been following us as Women in BIM, they need to know what to expect next. So what are we working on for the future that they can join us for?
I'm so glad you asked, but we have an entire Women in BIM series this year. Each quarter, we will have a leading women in the industry that will have a topic-specific talk. And in the first quarter in April, we have Devashka Maharaj from Ikigai Engineering. And I'm quite excited to see what this lady is going to tell us. She has her own engineering firm, Lulu.
Oh, I actually didn't know. I've heard about Ikigai, but I had no idea that she had her own. Is Ikigai her own engineering firm, or does she have something else that she works on?
No, Ikigai is her engineering firm, which is quite impressive.
Woman power. That's very impressive. Very.
So I think now we have some time for question and answers. You're welcome to send your questions through to us at www.modena.co.za to access our website.
Yay. So this was great and informative. I hope you guys will be joining us in the future. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for being with us, and we hope to see you soon for our following Women in BIM events.
Thank you.
Thanks, Lulu. Have a wonderful day, and we speak soon.
Bye.
Bye.